kind of smoggy. But you know what? You hear them up there? I come out to enjoy the birds, and big giant airplane. Ooh, what do we have here, beautiful? The beautiful sun, giver of life and the giver of destruction. Look at that orange hue around it. Look at that. Incredible, huh? An orange hue. I think that's fascinating. Well, let's enjoy the birds for a while. While we... Oh, what happened? Stupid thing. Turn the thing rail down. Wow. Ooh. You can never look at the sun while it's like this. You can look at it in the evening in sun gaze, but never when it's like this looking. Ooh. It's too bright right now. Where'd you go, baby? Right behind that tree again. She went. Right there. We'll keep her right there. Looking behind the tree. Still with an orange hue. Zoom in a little bit. Yeah, we're going to zoom in. Oh, wow. Look at that. Incredible, huh? Wow. That's just enough to... Wow, it just makes you can still see that orange hue around it. Incredible. Should go right out around the front and see what happens. Hear that helicopter? A lot of that going on too. Helicopters everywhere. Need to get a better camera that will see better up in the sky at nighttime. Any recommendations? Throw them in the chat. This is on a Samsung phone. This is not the Nikon, which I should fully get, but this phone does a pretty good job except for that little lens flare right there. The Nikon doesn't have that. You can adjust it out. Oops, see my bird? Look at my bird, flew right by. Come out to investigate the birds. They really react to this stuff. Huge solar flare coming at us. An X flare. Well, we feel that instantaneously. As soon as that happens, we feel it instantaneous. No doubt about it that... Oh, whoa, we won't swoop too bright with that. When the sun's this active, we're all going to be affected, so we all need to get ready for it. Yep. Solar cycle 25. Have your armor from God on and the authority to trample serpents, because it's going to get weird. Hear that helicopter? Hear it? Look at how cool that looks, huh? Wow. People were saying they're seeing stuff flying in and out of the sun. I haven't seen evidence of that yet, but I'm not doubting them. I just haven't caught it yet, which I will. Stuff flying in and out of the sun. Incredible. That's just amazing to me. Look at that. Have a great day. God bless.